Bamu sadaka, saboda Nabi. Bamu sadaka. Bamu sadaka. Bamu sadaka. Bamu sadaka. Bamu sadaka.
Give me 200 naira change.
I muna the change I gashi. Thank you very much. God go bless you, yellow auntie. Thank you very much. They will have the good husband to marry. Bamu sadaka. Abamu sadaka. Abamu sadaka. Abamu sadaka. Soboda Nabi.
I can see you need liver. Should I donate my liver for you? Or I should transfer you the 7 million naira?
Abamu also liver. We only want the transfer.
Can I have the account number?
Nkirama account number.
Right.
The minutes.
Call it quickly.
3074.
Done.
What type of
7
plane is
million
this?
Nigerian naira.
You will handicap.
That man is looking at us. Allah, madam, God bless you. Abamu sadaka. Soboda Nabi. Abamu sadaka. Abamu sadaka. Soboda Nabi. Abamu sadaka. Abamu sadaka. Abamu sadaka. Soboda Nabi. Abamu sadaka.
Don't worry, I will transfer for you.
Allah, they want to transfer.
Yes, I want to transfer 7 million.
I have the account number. I gave you to you.
What type of plane is this?
7 million.
Allah, I have seen 7 million Nigerian naira. Allah, Gashi, Nagode. Allah, thank you. Allah, Madam, God will bless you very much. See, you know, say we don't make money for this month like this. We don't get 30 million naira like this.
Eh? You say waiting. Now liver failure, I say me right to. No be deaf and dumb. Wait. 14 million 800. Now they with you.
Wait, I will settle this thing later.
Not go there. Don't try this thing.
God
Try
have
this.
mercy upon us.
14 million 800.
Wait, they are not the home internet. Amara Chineke,
I saw something just now. Go back a bit. Well, Paco, let's come down. Let's talk to them.
Amara Chineke, Amalubane no. Oh, sister.
Hello, how you doing?
Welcome. God bless you.
I couldn't ever notice this sign. Kidney failure. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I don't have the kidney failure.
No. It's my brother.
Is it? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Ndo, you know what? Can you guys follow me to my office? Let me write an open check for you. Just come with me, yes.
God have mercy upon us.
Sister,
Yes, is everything okay?
God bless you. My sister, please. I want to get something and we can force a mem. Oh, maybe I'll come and meet you people at the office.
Why?
No, my brother is here.
I will follow you to the office.
Brother, please.
Okay, please don't be careful.
No problem. Okay.
Udo.
Jesus. Mommy.
Yes, are you okay?
Can move here fast.
Your friend is coming to meet us.
Yes, he will come.
Hey, young man.
Odoma.
What is your name is again?
My name is Brother Solomon.
So forgive me. My name is Dr. Thelma Tony, and this is Dr. Mio. Okay? So this is the hospital I do my internship. Okay. So now this your case, kidney failure, is the exact case I'm looking for. Yes. So if I perform the operation I want to do now with this problem you have, so I'll be a certified doctor. So I want to perform a surgery on you. Do you understand? Yes. So I'm helping you, you're helping me. We're helping each other.
Okay, I'm helping you.
Yes.
You are helping me.
Yeah, but there might be complications. But you know, yeah, you might have stroke.
What type of plane is this?
Yes. Is a possibility. I'm not saying you will have it. It happens 50-50. You might lose sight in your left eye. Yes, partial blindness. So you might have paralysis. But don't worry, it's just for a short while. And when there is life, there is hope. All these things, it's not a big deal. Okay? So let's get this one done. Please, help me get the theater ready. In fact, help me get everything ready.
Okay.
Yes.
How did Juju be that?
Lord of Jesus.
Brother Solomon.
God have mercy upon us.